Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're going to be getting into the Gershion Polygel nail kit. I was sent this, so this is Happy Mail. You already know, let's sing the song. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to well mail. Alright you guys, so here is the kit. I really like all the things that come in the kit. I think that's really a lot of items that you get for a starter kit. This is perfect for someone who's just trying to get into the polygel. Now here I'm showing you the dual forms that come with it, or aka the poppets, and these are the ones that I don't like, and so I'm comparing them to the model ones. They just were too curved, and so I really like the poppets that came with this one. I would highly suggest that they start putting these into like a case or something, because that does make it more difficult to keep up with. But I get it, you know, less packaging, more stuff is what I'm guessing. I don't know. So it comes with a file, and I was just comparing it to another one of the files that I've gotten before, and of course the gold dual forms, which one day I'm actually going to try to build a nail like that. I think it's worth it. And here I'm just showing you the brush that it comes with and doing a little comparison of one of the other brushes. I really like the Gershion brush. It was a lot more dense, and it just I don't know, the bristles just felt different, and I liked it. So I was excited about getting to try that. It does come with a base coat and a top coat gel. You'll need both of these in order to do the process. Oops, drop that. And then here are all of the polygels that come with it. You're going to get a clear, you're going to get a white, you're going to get a couple of nude tones, and then this bean color is, yeah. So here I'm showing you that I'm going to be using alcohol. I do have some gel-ish slip solution, but for right now, with us just doing like the try on, I'm just going to, you know, get some alcohol ready. But you can pick up the gel-ish from Amazon or the cleansing alcohol from Sally's Beauty. So as you can see, I'm going to be going through and just kind of testing out the colors and showing you guys what it looks like when it comes out and how clear it is. I decided that this would be a good idea to show you exactly how it will cure and what it will look like. So here we have like this nice pinky color, and the clear was actually really clear, and that's what you want to get to. You want to get to a nice clear where it isn't foggy. So on here it looks clear, and you just want to make sure when you cure it that it's going to give you that same feel. And all of these colors were really nice. I really liked more so the natural, I think it was like natural pink color. Y'all, I forgot what colors these are, and that's the whole thing. I just know that last one is like bean red, and I cannot deal with bean red. So stick it in there for 60 seconds and cure. And here we go. So here are the colors. You can see they were true to color, and that clear did very well. And that's why I did it on that piece of paper, so you could just see if it would be cloudy or not. And I really think it did a good job. So that is what we're doing. So I went ahead and laid out the forms that I wanted to use, and I put my gel-ish into my damping dish, and I was just reading through the instructions. I wanted to try to follow the instructions as best as possible. I like to use the instructions that they give you, because I think that's important to at least try it out that way, the way that they designed it to be, and then tweak it. I did decide though to go in with my Prep and Prime from Kiara Sky, because it didn't say nothing about that, but I know we need that. So the first thing you're going to do is put down a layer of the base coat gel, and you guys know me, I'm all out of frame, but look, I'm trying, okay? I is trying. So now we're going to create our nail. Now I'm deciding to do a quote-unquote baby boomer nail, and I don't know why. I be wanting to try stuff, and I know I should just be like very simple at first, but I go in for no reason. So yeah, you see how I'm pushing it in there, and this is the part that for me takes the longest, because I'm trying to make sure that everything is even, that it's leveled, and that it's nice and not too much at the cuticle area. And this part takes a long time. This set is it's kind of difficult, and I guess if I was using one color, maybe it wouldn't have taken so long. I've done polygel sets with just the one nail. I've done it with a tip and everything, and I've just found this process just to be kind of cumbersome compared to my tips. But anyway, so yeah, now I'm taking the white and putting it on top of there. One thing that I noticed is that the white does take a while longer to cure, and that would be more than likely why I think my nail set did not last as long as it should have, because it just did not cure. So I decided to use my Chiara Sky lamp just to stick everything on there and kind of clean up my mess. This is another hard part to get into, is putting it onto your nail and getting it to stick, but we got something there. So we pull off the poppet, and then as you can see, like I'm showing you the back side of the nail, it has so much like extra underneath there, and I know that that has something to do with the way it stayed on there. So I went ahead and did all the other nails as well, so you guys wouldn't have to, you know, sit through all of that. But I started just kind of like prepping the nail first. So I did all of the prep and added them on there first, and then I stuck them on my nails, so that way I could just go boom 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 with sticking them on. But yeah, I'm removing that sticky layer using just some of the alcohol that I had on the spray thing. And I mean, they are really cute, don't get it twisted, they're really cute. But now I have to do the filing, and y'all, I just don't like filing. Like, it's just a lot. It's just a lot. And I guess because it just does take a while, and trying to do your own, and listen, it's a whole entire thing. And now I'm just taking some of that top coat gel polish, and I'm putting it on all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure it. And for me, I like to see what the top coat looks like. Is it really shiny? Does it give you an off cast? Does it last? That type of thing, because you want a top coat that's going to last and look very pretty and very beautiful on your nails. So this was a really good top coat. Actually, I have used it again on a different set of nails, and it did really good. So clean up, and boom, now it's time for some of that cuticle oil and get us all nice and warm. And yes, hunty, yes. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look of the polygel nails that I did. I like the final look, but y'all, like my skin, I have so much to clean up behind there, but they look really good. They feel really sturdy. They have a nice like clickability sound to them, so they came out pretty good. It took me about an hour to do all of this. That's with the prepping, the priming, and getting it together. So this was about an hour, and that's because, like I said, I was putting the two on there. I still haven't found like the perfect combination of gel to polyform, like dual form, whatever. And then the other thing that I noticed, so this, it did pretty well. The only thing I noticed is that some of the instructions did not tell you, like it doesn't tell you to use a slip or anything in here. And some of the words are misspelled. So that's the only thing that I noticed about the Gershion kit versus some of the other ones. Like, well, I mean, most of them all have like spelling errors because I don't think they're made in America anyway. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and you guys let me know what you think down below. Do you want to see more polygel tutorials? Because I just cannot get over how sticky my fingers are right now, but they look good, and I'll let you guys know how long these hold up. I'm about to go ahead and get into doing this other hand, and I'm probably, I see myself doing this on my other hand because it's a thing. But okay, you guys, I'll be back with another video.